Greetings, everyone, and welcome to a podcast for data collection and analysis. We're going to talk today. This should be a relatively short podcast, so hope that you get as much out of it as I planned. And just as a reminder, this is going to be our fourth tool that we're going to be discussing. So we've already gone over content exploration, which was presenting information to your students. Production tasks, which are when students actually produce something and show you that they have knowledge of that particular activity. Communication, which is a two-way communication, so between students or between students and an expert. And today we're going to be talking about data collection and analysis. So just as a basic overview, data collection and analysis technology tools are going to be anything that help you solve that particular task of gathering information and synthesizing that information or analyzing it, trying to figure out what's really going on here. So some different examples may be like 6th grade students who actually build stock portfolios and analyze their earnings by keeping track of daily ups and downs of the stock market. Another example could be the high school cafeteria. So high school students could, or even elementary students, can keep track of the calories and the fat and the different things that they're including in their lunches to try and analyze that and say, how can we recommend better foods? The best part about data collection and analysis tools is it allows you to get to higher order thinking skills. It challenges your students to look at information and to make different decisions. So like with chemistry, we could look at the humidity or the air quality in different rooms, and maybe we would expect older rooms to maybe be draftier or not have as much heating. But with window heating units, it might be different, and it might actually be the hottest room in the school. So trying to think about what are ways that we could take that information and then improve upon it or improve upon the situation. Another example is that students actually collected water samples from nearby lakes and streams to compare the water quality and discover how water quality affected invertebrate life. So you can work with different scientists to figure out the different pollutants maybe and all of those various elements in order to, again, recommend something or analyze something in order to come up with some kind of solution. So technology tools really help us and help our students do that quite easily. So here's one example of a great data analysis website, and this is a Gapminder, which is a nonprofit venture that promotes sustainable global development and achievement. And what it does is it takes information and statistics about social, economic, and environmental development at local, national, and global levels, and it allows you to see changes and differences. So go to this website and explore some of the various types of graphs and play to see the changes over time. So this next example is Swivel, and this example is more like a Web 2.0 or a social networking form of graphs and data. So people put in different information and actually share this. So check this one out and see if anything's interesting there for you. This last example or link will take you to Inspire Data, and this is what we're actually going to be working with during lab, so it might be beneficial for you to go and take a look. This is a link to the video tour of Inspire Data. And so there are lots of different ideas for this, particularly in math, science, and social studies. They have a lot of different ideas on the website, but there are many more ways to use this outside of what's just listed on the website. Now we're getting to the participation part of it, and what I'd like you to do is I'd like you to go to this website. This is the Indiana State Standards website, and I'd like you to search in your content area for a way or an idea of how you could, when you would actually collect data or analyze data in order to meet one of these standards. So try searching through your standards. You can actually scroll through them, even look at the different resources using various types of keywords. And if you can't find anything here, you can try doing a Google search. And when you've finished with this, go ahead and paste this standard into question number 1, as well as a description of how you would do data analysis within this to meet this particular standard.